In this video, I will be telling you how to delete all your repos from the TikTok. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So what you guys actually have to do is to go to your setting and make sure that you go ahead and check your activity status. So for that, simply go to the privacy and setting and make sure that you go and check your activity status and delete all your previous history. So by doing that, the next step is very easy. Simply go ahead and click on your setting icon and click on the feedback and help button, and here, what you need to do is to contact the support in order to help you out. So simply type the email to the support to get all your documents and all your videos, all your repos deleted from the TikTok. That way, you'll be able to do it. So this is it is that simple. I hope you find this really helpful.